Plaksha is not like other traditional universities where you mostly focus on theoretical concepts, or you'd actually get to apply everything you learn in the real world concept and see how it works out.
I can confidently say that the course has helped me gain knowledge not just in the field of AI, also in the field of leadership and other communication skills.
It's a very future-led approach to education. You'll be set up for success when you enter the industry because you will have experience with hands-on projects. You would have learned technologies that are yet to become mainstream technologies. For example, we were learning AI and how to leverage it in business a year before it became mainstream.
I remember spending multiple days within the lab, the extensive lab that had robots that were specifically built for us. And we were spending almost the entire day and night. It was amazing seeing a robot that we had built throughout our semester coming to life in front of me.
I think what Plaksha has given me is the ability to face problems without fear, to have the courage to take the most difficult thing that I can do and try and figure it out. That spirit of creating something from nothing, I think, is what sets us apart as compared to other people that I've met.